Hello everyone, welcome to yet another awesome episode of Pro Trader Talks. पिछले प्रो ट्रेडर टॉक में हमने बात की थी न्यू मून पे ऑन व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ न्यू मून ऑन अस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और न्यू मून कैसा एक बढ़िया टाइम होता है टू क्रिएट न्यू थिंग्स इनटू योर लाइफ एंड सून वी आर अप्रोचिंग द फुल मून. और जैसे कि लेट मी रिवाइज व्हाट वी स्पोक अबाउट द ल्यूनर साइकिल्स एंड द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ देम ऑन अस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. गाइस, हम जब भी मार्केट ट्रेड करते हैं तभी वी ट्रेड द कलेक्टिव ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस across the entire marketplace. That means we are not trading against something else, we are trading against people. Market human beings se bhara hai, and that is why the importance of emotions, importance of managing one's emotions and how to deal with others emotions into the marketplace. और इसीलिए ये बात की पढ़ाई करना, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि हमारे इमोशंस पे किसका कंट्रोल है. What are the things that impact and really affect our emotions as human beings? हम इसीलिए ल्यूनर साइकिल्स की स्टडी करते हैं ताकि हमें पता चले कि ऐसा कौन सा समय है, ऐसा कौन सा पीरियड है जहाँ पे we are impacted by these cycles. So one such period was the new moon, and second such important period is the full moon, which is soon approaching. So what happens in the full moon, guys? Moon के जो effect और energy होती है, the full moon especially, it heightens whatever it is that you're already carrying. जो भी आप एनर्जी आप महसूस करते हो, the full moon only heightens it and increases it, escalates it to another new level altogether. So for instance, you're feeling sad, dejected, lonely, you'll end up feeling more sad, more dejected and lonelier than before. If you feel that you're in a loving state, you'll end up feeling more loving, more joyful and more blissful. So imagine you wake up in the morning and you feel you have these particular emotions, you start feeling a certain way and you live the entire day with that feeling. What happens is towards the end of the day, as the moon rises, your feelings will only enhance, they will only escalate. So matlab, in a way, moon doesn't make you mad, it doesn't make you like crazy, it just enhances whatever you are. इसीलिए जॉयफुल हो तो ज़्यादा जॉयफुल महसूस करोगे, सैड हो तो ज़्यादा सैड महसूस करोगे. दिस इज़ द इफेक्ट इट हैज़ ऑन योर मूड. एंड जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. आई मीन ओशन जो है, ओशन का पानी, द सी का पानी मून से राइज होता है, मून से ही इट रिसीड्स, राइट. इट गोज एज पर द टाइड, द हाई टाइड एंड लो टाइड दे गो एज पर द मून. अगर ओशन इतना बड़ा जिसमें टन्स एंड गैलन्स ऑफ वाटर्स है, इफ दैट बिहेव्स एज पर द मून, तो हम ह्यूमन बींग्स आर ऑल्सो 70% वाटर. सो देयर इज नो रीजन वी कैन नॉट बिहेव दैट वे, राइट. और ये जानना क्यों ज़रूरी है? वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पैक्ट द मून हैज़ इन अस, व्हाट हैपन्स इज यू कैन स्टार्ट इंजीनियरिंग योर सेल्फ टू द बेस्ट ऑफ वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू बी, to the best of emotions you want to carry. And as a trader, emotions तो बहुत important role play करते हैं. So for instance, you know, आज पूनम की रात है, today is a full moon day, and you know the emotions that you carry from morning, they're only going to enhance as the day progresses. Why not have this joyful and beautiful emotions? Why not have this emotion of feeling perfect, feeling in control of your own self? And that really helps you taking control of the actions that you put out into the marketplace. Think about that. So when I talk about these kind of topics to traders, the common thing that really, the common response that comes is that ये सारा logical नहीं लगता. It doesn't seem logical, तो हम इसकी पढ़ाई क्यों करें? But the thing is, guys, you need to understand कि कितनी सारी बार ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जो logically कोई sense नहीं रखती. They do not make any logical sense, but even you have experienced such kind of things in your life where, in spite of not making any logical sense, they have been one of the most beautiful experiences of your life. Think about those things. Didn't they not make any sense? This thing is one of those things. We human beings have two dimensions to us. One is the logical and the other is the magical. और ये हर चीज़ में दिखाई देता है. भगवान के अवतार को देखो. If you look at the avatar of Lord Shiva, he's projected as half man and half woman. तो हर एक चीज़ में there are opposites. There is equal opposite to a right thing, to the black thing or the white thing. हर एक चीज़ में opposites हैं. So does logic and magic have their own opposites in each other. We all have that logical dimension in us which helps us manage this materialistic realm. लेकिन इससे beyond this logical dimension, there is something that goes beyond this, and that is which helps us manage the subjective thing जो logic explain नहीं कर सकता. और ये मून की जो energies है वो ये डायमेंशन का प्रतीक है. सो व्हाई नॉट स्टडी दिस एनर्जीज एंड व्हाई नॉट अंडरस्टैंड देयर इम्पैक्ट, एंड देयर इज नो बेटर एक्सपीरियंस दैन एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट योरसेल्फ. एक बार आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस करोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि हाउ द होल थिंग वर्क्स ऑन यू. So what I've done is, guys, I've recorded a small meditation which is called the full moon meditation. You have to do this meditation on the full moon nights. The best thing is that if you could do it below the moonlight, to feel the direct moonlight. लेकिन आप अगर नहीं कर पाओ, it's monsoon or you're living in a place where you cannot access the direct moonlight, that's completely fine as well. आप अपने घर के comfort में कर सकते हैं. But the thing is, please find a space where you are left undisturbed. Please let not phone calls or text messages bother you at this point of time. Find a comfortable space where you can be yourself. It's a short meditation. I want you to experience the magic of the full moon even for a few minutes. Leave all the distractions aside. Get comfortable. Remove your spectacles or anything on your body that's bothering you. Just sit back and relax and listen to this meditation and feel the effect and the energy that it leaves you with. And after you're done, please do leave a comment in the section below on how was your experience out of the whole thing. आपको क्या महसूस हुआ और आपने क्या सीखा इससे, आपने क्या समझा, आपकी एनर्जी में आपको कैसा शिफ्ट मिला. I would love to hear from you guys. So enjoy the meditation, guys, and I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.